Hey there friends, welcome in. It's Superior Shelby, your favorite 71% successful grant writer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get a logo and a website for less than $100. I know a lot of y'all are starting a business, especially during summer 2024, because you want to make that extra stream of income right now. You don't have to wait any longer. I'm going to show you how to get a website developed for less than $100, as well as getting a logo for less than $100, okay? So let's get down to it. So before I get into everything, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video, because this video is really good for everybody who wants to start a business or develop a business, or even if you are getting into content creation and you just wanted to create your own blog, you can use these two websites that I'm giving you, so that way you can just like jumpstart your freaking success, okay? That's what I'm always about. Jump starting and kick starting your way to good money. So let's get down to it. So the first website I want to talk about is GoDaddy. A lot of y'all know about GoDaddy, but I feel like GoDaddy is very slept on. GoDaddy is a website development program that you can go through. You can visit GoDaddy.com. It's a free platform. And then once you go in there, the first thing you want to do is you want to search for what's called your domain. Domain is another word for URL address, right? So you guys know how you put in that address bar, www.google.com. Well, a domain name is whatever your website name is going to be. So it can be www.abccompany.com, right? You can purchase your domain through GoDaddy, and they will also give you a free freaking website. After purchasing your domain, that www.mycompany.com, whatever your domain will be, then they ask you, do you want a free website? You're going to click yes before you even check out. Purchasing your domain can cost you anywhere between 20 to 40 bucks. Honestly, the most I've seen somebody spend on a domain is about $60. I'm being so serious. And they literally got everything. Through the GoDaddy process, when you are purchasing your domain, you have to do these steps. When you first visit www.godaddy.com, there is going to be a big bar there that you can search for your domain, right? You will put in www.mycompany.com and search for your domain and make sure it is available. If your domain is available, you will see a small price tag on the side. It might be as low as 1 cent, 99 cents, 20 bucks, whatever it costs for you to actually purchase that domain. Now, when you get ready to check out and purchase your domain name, they will also ask you, do you want to set up your business email address? You want to click yes. GoDaddy uses Microsoft Office, right? Microsoft 365. So you want to download the Microsoft Outlook, the Outlook app on your phone, so you can be able to access your brand new business email address. Now, a business email address will be like your name, so it might be johndoe@mycompany.com. This will allow you to have your own professional business email address, friend, that you need when you are doing business. You guys need to stop using Google and Yahoo. It ain't professional, friend. It ain't professional. I'm here to tell you. I'm not new to this, friend. I'm true to this. So in that process, you're going to click yes. That will possibly add an extra 12 to 24 bucks, because you do have to pay for that. It's like $1 a month. So you can pay the 12 bucks for the whole entire year, or 24 bucks on top of that, right? So we're already at 20 bucks or 12 bucks with that. And then your domain will probably cost you not even 20 bucks, right? So the total price for everything will most likely come out to about $40 or so for you to get your website domain, and also for you to get a free website created. In addition to that, your professional business email. All you have to do once you say yes is provide your basic company information. Where are you located? How can they contact you? What's your new business email? What is your business phone number? And what is your business about? And what is the company name? You can do all of this through the GoDaddy platform without having to hire somebody through Fiverr and paying hundreds of dollars right now in Fiverr, especially if you are starting. I highly advise that you pay a website developer later on. All right, and when I say later on, I mean once your company starts to make, a couple $1,000s or so, because getting a professional website developed can definitely cost you anywhere between $500 to $1,000, all right? So you want to go through GoDaddy.com to get your domain and also to get your free website created, all right? So let's move on so I can explain to you how you can get a logo. All right, friends, so the next website I want to introduce you to is called Looka.com, Looka.com, okay? Looka.com is a place where you can get your logo done for just $20 freaking dollars. They use artificial intelligence to go ahead and develop different types of styles, right? Different fonts, different types of little symbols and all kinds of stuff that you can use to be able to create your logo. All you have to do is give your business name, what your business is about, and what your business slogan is. And it will generate over hundreds of logos that you can actually choose from. Once you choose the best logo or the one that you like, right? You can customize it your own way as well. Then it'll cost you $20 to get what's called your brand package, right? So this is what you fully need. You can get this through luca.com all right, and this is $20, and this is to have the artificial intelligence to go ahead and create a logo for you if you are not tech savvy and if you aren't good with Canva. And Canva is going to be my next suggestion. If you are good with creating things online and making fonts and making thumbnails and all kinds of stuff, then Canva will be a really great place for you to create literally a free logo, and you can use those logos in there, right? So you can use canva.com or you can use luca.com, but I'm really talking to people who are not tech savvy and you just simply know exactly what you're going to do with the business, but you just like all of that other business administrative stuff and the branding. This is not your strong suit. I totally get it. This is just to get your foundation together, right? This is not to really create brand awareness. We will start to do that once you start to make profits. But right now, right, as a start, you can pay $20 to have Luca to go ahead and generate over hundreds of different, types of logos that you may like, and then you can purchase your brand kit and you will have your logo. It'll all be yours, okay? Think about hiring somebody through Fiverr. If you don't provide them with a general contract, general services contract, explaining to them that whatever content they create, it's all yours and you own it, then, they will technically own it, and then you might see your logo freaking posted on Fiverr and you're like, what? I didn't give you permission to post me on Fiverr. Of course you didn't. But then again, they didn't need your permission because they technically own it and you didn't have them sign a contract, okay? So with that being said, luca.com, okay? You can get your free logo, or not free logo, you can get a logo for $20, or you can go to Canva, okay? And Canva is where you can get a free logo, okay? All right, so perfecto, all right? So I went over some really great tools that you can actually use right now to be able to develop your business, online, right? To have some type of online presence. As a bonus, I highly advise after you get your domain, right? After you get your free website set up and after you get your logo, go ahead and sign yourself up for GoogleMyBusiness.com. GoogleMyBusiness.com is free to do, and it allows you to be Googleable. If people can't Google you, then you already know what's going on in 2024, honey. We ain't shopping with you because we feel like you're not legit. So go ahead and sign yourself on Google. The day you sign yourself on Google is the day you start your Google ranking. So allowing yourself to start getting some type of reviews or start developing that online presence. So when you go to apply for other opportunities or sign yourself up for other networking events and things like that, people will be able to Google you, going directly to your free website that you created through GoDaddy, and they can learn more about your company, okay? So I hope this video was very informative. Go ahead and share, like, subscribe, and turn on push notifications so you won't miss any of my pre-recorded videos and live streams, okay? I'm always going live, so that way you guys can ask me questions on how to search and apply for grants and all kinds of stuff, okay? So don't miss out on it, friend. Also, I have a Superior Grant Squad you guys can join for just $20 a month, where I'm actually walking you through all of these grants, for-profit and nonprofit grant opportunities that we're all applying to together. I do weekly Q&A calls, and there's a lot of information in there, okay? So if you want to join my Superior Grant Squad, go ahead and click the link down below in the description, and I'll see you in the squad, okay? I'll see you in the squizard. Until next time, I'm Superior Shelby. Love you guys. Peace and blessings. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.